Basta mga umiyak kayo kayo.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat.
Magandang hapon po.
Ano gagawin natin?
Comedy Papa po, Archive po. Ano ka ka?
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Narito po sa inyong harapan ang napakagandang Era Madrigal. Ako pala si Angel. Manahimana sa simpleng kaswayan.
Wala, baliw siya pa nga eh.
Hindi lahat ng may magandang mukha ay babae. Ba yan?
Bakit? Pagkakaganda.
Hindi lahat ang...
Hindi lahat ng babae.
Hindi lahat ng babae may maganda
Kaya
lahat.
may magandang mukha ay babae. Malay nyo, ako pala ang dati nyo, kumpare.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Narito sa inyong harapan ang napakagandang kamukha ni Era Madrigal.
Energy!
Naniniwala po ako sa kasabihang hindi lahat ng babae magandang kamukha.
May natatagal, iuulan na oh. Opo. Babae. Okay, number 2.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Candidate number 2.
Idol!
Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. My name is Mariko. Mariko sa gabi.
Parang gusto mo.
Isa lang ang pinaniniwalaan ko. Di man ako kasing ganda ng nanay nyo. O kasing sexy ng ate nyo. Malay nyo. Ako, ang kuya nyo. Candidate number 3.
Hindi nga pag ginutay.
Ayoko na.
Mabuhay!
Bakit?
I spent 7 years in Japan. Pero po, nalaman ko na may pusong Pinoy po pala ako. At naniniwala po ako sa kasabihan ni Dr. Sarizan na ang hindi marunong magmahal sa sariling wika, sa call center naglimpala!
The last candidate, candidate number 4.
Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Narito na sa inyong harapan. Narito na sa inyong harapan. Ang kakaibang Diyosa ng kagandahan. Sinayos na 6 feet below the ground. Ito na po ang bago nyo, Rosalinda. My name is Carla Mariana. At naniniwala ako, pag maaraw at mulan, may kinakasal na tigbala.
Thank you to all candidates. Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for not so lovely candidates we can know. Come for the exotic part of the pageant, and that is the question and answer portion.
Tagalog.
Candidate number 1, forward please.
One yan.
You look very intelligent.
Thank you so much.
Oh, what is your favorite subject?
Oh my God!
Magkain.
Ever since when I was a child, my favorite subject is science.
Sayang.
Oh, That's very typical. What's your favorite planet?
My answer is, ever since when I was a child, my favorite planet is Mercury.
Very interesting. Why Mercury?
Dahil sa Mercury, nakakasiguradong
Gamot ay laging bago.
dahil sa Mercury, nakakasiguradong gamot ay laging bago.
Thank you very much, candidate number 1. Candidate number 2. If you were to become an animal, what animal you want to be?
Oh. Nagaling na natin yung tinamapa. I want to be an amphibian.
Bakit amphibian?
Kasi ang amphibian, kahit nabubuhay sa tubig at lupa.
Nice answer. Can you give us an example of amphibians?
Oh! A frog.
How about another example?
Oh! Another frog, thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 2. Put your hands together for the very confident. And candidate number 3. You seem to be the crowd favorite. How are you? I can see. For you, what is the most important or best important part of your body?
Sorry?
Repeat the question. What is the most or best important part of your body?
The best part of my body is my neck because my neck holds my head and my head holds my face because I believe that my beautiful face will hold the crown of the night's competition.
Thank you very much, candidate number 3. Ladies and gentlemen, the last candidate. Please welcome candidate Ahas. Do you want an easy or difficult question?
And the most intelligent candidate, so I'd like the most difficult question you ever think of.
Oh, I give it.
Mr. Host, can you ask me in English, please?
And now, what's the longest Tagalog that you know by dictionary?
You don't know?
I don't know. That is why my asking.
The longest Tagalog word, which I Googled it, nasisipag sinungalingan, now you know.
What does it mean?
It means pretending as if telling lies.
Next question.
What level? Mr. Host, is this how we speak?
No, you just have to answer, okay? What is the longest English word that you know?
You also don't know? The longest English word, which I Googled is electromicroscopic volcanoconiosis. Is that all?
Next question.
What level?
Difficult.
Oh, okay.
Aside from your face, what is your problem?
Aray sa mo. Mr. Host, let me tell you this. I don't have a problem with my face because I'm used to it. It is used to ask the question. Therefore, I think you are my problem, and that's your problem.
Excuse me, candidate number 4. Do you really think that I have a problem with my face?
Mr. Host, this is comedy bar. Joke, joke, jokes.
Kwentong may pago.
Oh, no, no.
bukas, bakit di pa ngayon?
Mr. Host, in English, please.
If you were die tomorrow, why not today?
Mr. Host, let me tell you this. I'm not in a hurry. Are you in a hurry? Go ahead.
So you really think that I am in a hurry?
Mr. Host, can I say something in Tagalog? Di ba yung matala dito? Pag namatanggal. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, all